Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is displaying error 23, it indicates a jarring issue that prevents the device from functioning properly. This error typically occurs when the jar cannot be detected or there's a fault in the jar's connection. If left unresolved, it can lead to more significant damage, eventually rendering your device unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement jar sensor. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the device upside down, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them to reassemble the device later. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift off the bottom cover. You may need to wiggle it slightly to release it from any clips. Inside, locate the jar sensor. It's typically found near the jar attachment point. Check for any loose connections or visible damage. If you see any wiring issues, gently disconnect the cables connected to the sensor, paying attention to their arrangement for reassembly. Now, remove the faulty sensor by unscrewing it with the Phillips screwdriver. When installing the new sensor, ensure it is securely placed and that all connections are reattached properly. Use a gentle force when screwing it back in to avoid stripping the screws. As you work, be cautious of nearby components to prevent accidental damage. Once everything is back in place, replace the bottom cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before plugging the device back in, double-check that everything is reassembled correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent error 23 from occurring in the future, ensure that your Thermomix is regularly maintained and that the jar is properly seated during use. Avoid forcing the jar in or out of the base, as this can lead to wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.